Welcome everybody to a new video, and I'm currently in Cartagena. I've just checked into my hotel and a lady at the reception gave me a free upgrade, which is amazing. I've never had a free upgrade in a hotel before, so let me guys show you the room. So here is the entrance. We got a bathroom over here with some amenities. Shower, towels. I just took a shower. Guys, I don't know about you, but if my flight was only like 1 hour, 1.5 hours, I always need to take a shower and freshen up. I don't care if it's a 12-hour flight, 10-hour flight, 2-hour flight, or just a 1-hour flight. I always feel very, sticky after a flight. I don't know what it is. Anyway, this is the, sleeping and living room in one. We have a big closet over here. Got my suitcase over here. Table, TV. With a mini fridge. This is the hotel where I'm staying. It's called Oz Hotel or OZ Hotel. And it's in the Boca Grande area, which is like an area at the beach side full with apartments, hotels, and malls. So this is the view from here. To be honest, I always see this in hotels, but I have no idea what this is for. So, yeah. Anyway, this is a bed and another bed. So if you want to jump between the beds, you can do that, but I think I'll be fine with this one. We got a nice painting over here. And air conditioning, which works fabulous. I've tried it already. And yeah, we're just gonna have a walk outside. I'm gonna go to a mall, which is supposed to be one of the best malls here in Cartagena. As you can see, the weather is very, very caliente, muy caliente. It's very, very hot. It's, every day about 30 degrees. No rain at all, so that's very nice. And I will see you guys at the next bit.